So combining like terms, I am going to first draw a shape around my x's. Make sure you include the sign, it's really important. So my x's are like terms. Then I'm going to draw a different shape around my b's. Those will also be like terms. I'm going to include the sign because you need to know what direction on the number line you're going to go. And then this right here, it's just a number not being multiplied by a variable, so we call that a constant. I'll just draw a triangle around that. So if I would simplify this, we usually go in alphabetical order with constants at the end, so I'm going to do my b's first. Negative 5b and a positive 3. If I were positive 3 on the number line and I jumped backward 5, I would be at negative 2b. And then my x's will be next, constants are last. We're going alphabetical, so that's why I started with the b. So negative 7x and negative 10x will be negative 17x. And this is my only like term, so I'm just going to do positive 5. So I combine my like terms to simplify this expression. If I have something like negative 3 minus 5 times 7 minus 5n. I'm going to do distributive property first. So I'm going to, anything that is outside the parentheses and there's no addition or subtraction sign here, I'm going to multiply that times each term inside the parentheses. So negative 3, and then I'm going to go ahead and multiply. Negative 5 times 7 is negative 35. Negative 5 times negative 5n. A negative times a negative is a positive, so it's going to be positive. 5 times 5 is 25n. And I'm not quite done because I have some like terms here that I can combine. So a negative 3 and a negative 35 would be negative 38. So that would be negative 38 plus 25n. So I took this expression and I've simplified it by combining like terms and using the distributive property.